One of my favorite things to do on a sewing machine is applique stitches, which is those blanket stitches, right? And we see it here on the 3160, it's 17, 18, and 19. Now, if you're on the 2030, it's going to be numbers 13 and 14. And if you're wondering, what does the M, L, and R mean? The M is center, okay, that the needle is in center position, so in the middle. The L means the needle is in the left-hand position, and the R means it's in the right. Now, most oftentimes, I actually like it to the right because it's just, for me, it's a little bit easier to line things up. So I am changing my foot to the F foot, which gives like a nice open toe to be able to see where I'm going. And I'll go ahead and put my presser foot down, and let's begin stitching. Okay, go ahead and cut my threads. And you can see that, it's just, it's kind of little. I actually would prefer for that stitch to come out a little bit more, have a little bit more of a bite into my applique. And I can absolutely do that with this machine. All I have to do is change my width. So let's go ahead and take a look at what happens there. I'm going to move my cursor over to the width area, and let's bump that up to, let's say, a 3.5. All right. Okay, we'll go ahead and stitch this out one more time and see the difference. Ah, yes. To me, that looks more like the blanket stitch I am going for. So, try different widths, try different lengths, and see the ones that you like the best. Make sure and take some notes in your workbook so that you can remember the settings that you love the most. Stitch out some samples, and you'll have something to always refer to in the future.